STEPN truly is a low-positioned cryptographic money right now evaluated at $0.157189 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $187,827,567 in an especially significant manner. Over the past couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including STEPN, laid out major areas of strength for in the worldwide monetary world and generally are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which in a real sense is very huge. A few institutional financial backers even explicitly consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they sort of thought. Retail financial backers and dealers in every practical sense are especially keen on digital currencies, especially, for example, GMT, since this for the most part is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources sort of have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately truly brief timeframe in an unobtrusive manner. These profits are really impossible in certainly different business sectors, which essentially is the justification for why most moderate financial backers fundamentally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like STEPN. While the groundbreaking ones generally give a critical piece of their especially cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unobtrusive manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of STEPN to the level at $0.157189 where it presently sits, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, GMT in a real sense is a low-positioned cryptographic money, since it by and by possesses the 94th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the in every way that really matters metric that most not entirely settled by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a genuinely large manner. On account of STEPN, the market capitalization in every practical sense remains at $187,827,567. The significance of this boundary will truly be made sense of later in an especially huge manner. Our cost expectation calculation sort of is planned in commonly such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to sort of furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the in every practical sense. Present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently sort of evaluate the condition of their portfolio and explicitly choose whether or not it certainly needs to for the most part be reconfigured in a by and large enormous manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which for the most part is truly fundamental for the by and large right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its truly present and future bearing in a by and large significant manner. Beneath you will in every practical sense find all things considered key selections of this authentic information, so you also could sort of have a comprehension of where the STEPN market basically is going, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on October 1, GMT truly was esteemed at $0.159609 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. In a real sense, recollect that cryptographic forms of money truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unobtrusive manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period basically added up to 2.01%. 7 days prior, on September 25, STEPN explicitly was exchanged at $0.149333 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its in every way that really matters present situation in an essentially large way. On September 2, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged GMT at $0.154896, the cost level that essentially is at the distance of 1.48% from where it at present stands in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of GMT and the readings of CVIX truly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a very significant way. Market capitalization for the most part is another significant pretty metric that basically assists brokers with deciding the ubiquity of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which truly is very critical. It's likewise used to generally survey the offer that STEPN generally holds inside the by and large whole digital money market in an unpretentious manner. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization especially is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to sort of is duplicated by its fundamentally current cost in an essentially enormous manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of GMT for the most part remains at $187,827,567, enough to name it the 94th, actually the biggest coin on the digital money market. Yesterday, on October 1st, the market capitalization of STEPN by and large remained at $190,554,068, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on September 25th, the capitalization of GMT generally was $177,839,159 in a truly significant manner. A month prior, on September 2nd, how much by and large capital streaming around this really specific market truly added up to $170,624,816, which sort of is very critical. Most cryptographic money financial backers most certainly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a very certain digital currency and its capacity to basically endure disturbances, which in a real sense are the genuinely normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, or so they explicitly thought. The kind of complete stockpile of GMT right now in a real sense remains at 5,405,138,553 coins, which certainly is genuinely critical. The circling supply of the digital currency under survey is 194,916,394 GMT, which most certainly shows that a month prior, on September 2nd, how much kind of capital streaming around this specific market certainly added up to $170,624,816 in an especially large manner. This STEPN cost expectation wouldn't most certainly be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the certainly metric utilized by basically all digital money merchants to affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain in every practical sense is happening on the rear of the genuinely low exchanging volume, there really is a sort of high likelihood that this move generally is impractical and would in a real sense bring about a bullish snare in an unpretentious manner. Consequently, it's essential to in every practical sense break down the past and the very current exchanging volume of GMT request to sort of comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, which generally shows that on September 2nd, which for the most part was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged GMT at $0.154896. The cost level that sort of is at the distance of 1.48% from where it at present sort of stands in a kind of large manner. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the STEPN market was enlisted at $15,365,848, set on September 2nd, which in every practical sense was precisely a month prior. The examiners exchanged GMT at 0.1548